Welcome to Pie with the Piper. Today we'll be making pumpkin pie. Now obviously the first step is getting some dough. If you don't have any dough, you can make some by adding 1 1/3 cups of flour,
Okay, where did you get that cup? Did you steal it or something?
Okay, you're fired for suggesting that. As a matter of fact, I paid for it with Rathaway Industries money. Anyways, you will also need a 1/2 cup of shortening, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 3 1/2 tablespoons of water. Get some gloves on and mix it all together. And lastly, flatten it out using a rolling pin or a plate. Now use the dough to line the edges and bottom of your pie pan. Once your pie crust is ready, cook up your Halloween pumpkin and mash it. Alright, who else do I need to fire today?
It was Frank's last day. He decided to play a senior prank.
Well then, can somebody get me the actual pumpkin? Well, congratulations, you're fired too. Now somebody get to work on cooking up another pumpkin. We'll be right back. Now that the pumpkin is finally cooked, it's time to smash it. You'll need to use exactly 2 cups of mashed pumpkin. And the rest you can throw in the recycling bin. 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Half a teaspoon of salt. Cinnamon, also a 1/2 teaspoon. .5 teaspoons of nutmeg. And another 1/2 teaspoon of ginger. And 12 ounces of milk. Crap! Well, more fiber anyways. Also get 2 eggs. And then mix it in with a little bit of love. For me, literally. I'm gonna set my gauntlets to 528 Hz. Also known as the love frequency. Bake it at 350 degrees for 40 minutes. I really hope this video was useful to you. If it wasn't, I just fired 3 people for nothing.